Okay, so we need to take this panel off here. To take that panel off, you're gonna have to take the back seat's bottom out. So let me show you. Okay, so take out any seats or anything you have in the back, but we have to take off the lower part of the back seat. Now this just pop off. You don't have to do anything crazy. We have to take it off because we need to get the bottom of the seatbelt to feed back through that. As you can see, we can't really see underneath the seat often, so it'd be a good time to vacuum this all up. Now this is a 14 millimeter. There we go. Now the seatbelt is free. And once I got the seatbelt through the plastic panel, I went ahead and bolted it back in so we didn't lose the tension or mess with the seatbelt at all. Good, how are you? Now that we have both of these out, we can go ahead and prep them and get them coated black. Okay, so this is gonna be really hard to show on camera, so I'll try my best. This is the B-pillar passenger seat cover. This is where you have the seatbelt slider to go up and down. So the bottom of this was already pulled off because we had to move this to take out the headliner originally. So I could actually pull this up. This piece can actually slide up. But there is 2 bolts on the back of this that actually releases the top of the seatbelt. The reason there's 2 bolts is because it also houses the mechanism to slide the seatbelt up and down. So that bracket is all in one. But basically what's going to happen is we're going to take this off around the buckle. So we'll rotate the buckle and we'll pull it off, but I'll show you at the end. Alright, we're going to take a panel, and you can see it's dirty from the seatbelt and stuff like that, so we're going to go and spray it down with some Simple Green. If you have not used Simple Green, this stuff is actually pretty good. And after a couple coats, they come out looking like this. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Just gotta finish these 2 panels. And there we go. The parts are now completed and they look absolutely amazing. And by absolutely amazing, I mean good for what we dealt with. Again, that panel has scratches all over it. It's not sanded, it's just plastic black. Eventually, if it seems necessary or it works out, I could probably just flock all these. But the pillar one right here, this one concerned me the most because it's a high contact area with the seatbelt, and I don't know how the flock would handle it. So I want to see if the plastic handles it, and if it's, you know, if it pulls off or peels off, then I'm not going to flock it, because obviously that's going to do the same thing, just destroy the flock on top. So we'll have to probably actually paint it if it gets bad. But that's going to be it for today's video. We're going to have to go ahead and get everything prepped for the next part of the video, but I'll see you guys around.